Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the yarn and needle that match your crochet, embroidery floss, or a single strand of yarn with a size 18 tapestry needle works best. Next, mark eye placement precisely. Use pins or temporary safety eyes and step back to check symmetry so the face reads correctly. Once done, stabilize the area by stuffing to final firmness and smoothing the stitches. This gives you a flat, predictable surface to sew into and prevents puckering as you begin the first stitch. You now form the eye shape by anchoring your thread on the inside so the knot is hidden and tension stays even. Use a backstitch to outline the eye, then fill with satin stitches layered closely for a smooth, plush look. This resists pulling out better than single long stitches. Make sure to keep stitches consistent in length and direction so the surface looks flat. Once the shape is built, add a tiny white highlight stitch where light would hit. It makes the eye read alive. You finish by weaving the thread tail through several interior stitches and pulling snug, then trim close so nothing protrudes. Make sure to compare both eyes from different angles. If one sits higher or floppier, unpick a few stitches and adjust tension before reweaving, because small changes give big visual improvements. If the eye feels loose, restuff slightly and run a second pass of stitches to lock everything in place. One key troubleshooting tip: if puckering occurs, loosen tension and restabilize the stuffing before receiving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.